So, continuing with the interviews, we have with us who came second. What's your name?
Balarisha Thyrniang, sir.
Okay. So how are you feeling?
Very excited after 2 years of an injury. So this is the second time I participate. So on the 21st of this month itself, I came second or third, and now I came second. So it has improving a lot.
I'm sure next time you'll come first. So what preparations did you do for such races?
Okay, sir.
Catch your breath.
Actually, since last 2 years, I had this knee injury, so I couldn't train at all. So now before this event, I just do some warm up and then some jogging in the morning, and then nothing more than that. I couldn't do anything yet because my injury is still there. So 80% it's okay, but then 20% more I have to heal it. So I have to wait for the right time.
So I have chatted with a lot of athletes, and they say, mental fatigue is one thing that really needs to be worked on, because you may run a race, but at some point of time there is that voice telling you, okay, that's enough. How do you counter that?
Okay, sir. Well, regarding that, sir, actually, during this race, when I came around 5 kilometers, I thought of stopping there. But then my mind doesn't allow me. It's like, oh, you have to keep going because someone is chasing you behind, or I have to chase someone in front. So with that mental, I conquered this.
Thank you so much, and congratulations. All the best. All the best here.